Hi students, example, prove that the set of all matrices of the form A0, B0 is a left ideal of the ring of 2 cross 2 matrices with integral element but not a right ideal. Here we have to show that this is a left ideal, not a right ideal. Take S. S equals set of matrix A0, B0 such that A, B belongs to Z. Here S is non-empty because if A and B are 0, we have 0, 0, 0, 0 belongs to S. This is a null matrix belongs to S, therefore S is non-empty. Now take any two elements from the set S, A, B 0, 0 and B, C, D 0, 0. B any two elements of S where A, B, C, D are integers. Okay. What is A minus B? Matrix A minus matrix B. A minus C, B minus D, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Is this belongs to S? Yes. This is belongs to S because same format. Second column 0, 0, 0, 0. Now take any element of R. T equals matrix P, Q or S belongs to R. Be arbitrary. Now consider T into A. T is P, Q or S. A is A, B, 0, 0. Multiply P into A, PA plus Q into B, QB. P into 0, 0 plus Q into 0, 0. R into A, RA plus S into B, SB. R into 0, 0 plus S into 0, 0. Is this belongs to S? Yes, it is belongs to S. Therefore, S is an left ideal of R. If TA belongs to S, it is left ideal. If AT belongs to S, then it is right ideal. Now we should check to show that S is not a right ideal. Consider A equals AB 0, 0, T equals PQ or S. AT. A is this matrix into this matrix. A into P, AP plus 0 into R, 0. A into Q, AQ plus 0 into S, 0. B into P, BP plus 0 into R is 0. B into Q, BQ plus 0 into S is 0. Is this belongs to the set S? No, not at all. This is not belongs to the set S because in the set S, in the second column we have 0, 0. But here there is no 0, 0 in the second column. Therefore, S is not a right ideal of R. Next example, find all the principal ideals of R equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with respect to addition mod 8 and multiplication mod 8. Solution. We know that R is a commutative ring with unity. It is not a field because it is a ring with 0 divisors. It is a ring with 0 divisors because 4 into 2, 4 is non-zero, 2 is non-zero, 4 into 2, 8. 8 mod 8 under multiplication is 0. Therefore, it is a ring with 0 divisors. It is not a field, nothing but it has any other ideals. Okay. There exists an ideal S equals set of RA such that R belongs to R, which is a principal ideal generated by A. The ideals are first one, the element 0, set of 0. 0 into any number we get 0. 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3 we get 1 to 7. Next the ideal generated by 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 17, 14. 0, 2, 4, 6. First 8. 8 mod 8. If we divide 8 by 8, we get 0. 10. Divide 10 by the number 8. Remainder is 2. 12. Remainder is 4. 14. 8 by 14. Remainder is 6. Repeated. Don't write the repeated elements. 0, 2, 4, 6. This is the ideal generated by the element 2. Next, similarly 3. 0, 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 5, 15, 3 into 6, 18, 3 into 7, 21. 0, 3, 6, 9. Divide 9 by the number 8. Remainder is 1. Divide 12 by the number 8. Remainder is 4. 15 by 8. 7. 18 by 8. 8 to the 16. Remainder is 2. 8 to the 6. Remainder is 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is unit ideal. 4. 0 into 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 5, 20. 4 6 24. 4 7 28. Divide these numbers by 8 and the remainder are 0, 4, 8. Remainder 0, 12. Remainder 4, 20. 16. Remainder is 0. 20. Divide 20 by number 8. Remainder 4. 24. Remainder is 0. 28. Remainder is 4. 0, 4. Ideally has the elements 0 and 4. Similarly 5. Remainder. If you divide these numbers by the number 8, remainder are 0, 5, 2, 7, 4, 1, 6, 3. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, the ideals generated by the element 6 are 0, 2, 4, 6. And the ideal generated by the number 7 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the principal ideals are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, it is already done, 0, 4, 0, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, it is already done, written. Therefore, the principal ideals are 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, set of 0, 2, 4, 6 and set of 0, 4.